Hey guys, this is Mike the Jeweler with a new custom piece. It's a two-tone custom ring. It's a very unique and a very hard ring. All VVS diamonds. The top white gold is the shape and line. It's a very nice custom piece. If you guys interested for a custom ring, championship ring, whatever you guys are ready, just contact with me. I got you guys. We made this custom piece with a very detailing. See every diamonds. I'm showing you guys this ring from different angles. This is solid gold. It's a very heavy ring. It's sparkling. See every and each diamond is clear and shiny. See the teeth of this ring. There's a bottom. In the bottom of this ring is the line teeth. You can see here this custom is very nice. Thank you guys for watching my videos, and please subscribe my channel, share with your friends. We have more discounts in our store. If you guys contact with me, I'll send you my Instagram page also. It's very sparking. After a long time I'm posting a video because we are very busy with custom pieces. If you guys interested, just contact with me. White gold and yellow gold custom ring. It's a mouth of line. Your finger is coming out from the mouth of line.